Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1200 Leatherette Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be checking out this very nice 2017 Toyota Corolla SE. This Corolla is powered by a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, mounted to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. We've got a ton of great features to check out, so let's jump right in. Starting here at the front, we've got our blacked out grille and our large raked windshield, giving it a very sporty look with some fog lights. Moving around to the side, we have color matched mirrors and door handles, and the mirrors do have the integrated turn signal and black trim. This Corolla is currently wearing a full set of winter tires on steel rims, but it also comes with a full set of all seasons on our factory Toyota rims as well. So let's hop inside and take a look at what the interior of this Corolla has to offer. Peeking into the interior, we have this absolutely beautiful top condition leather and cloth combination upholstery with a very cool Corolla blue trim, which does match the trim on the inside doors, as well as a nice cream stitching as well. This carries through to the back, and as you can see, we actually have a ton of legroom back here and seating for 3. We also have the 60/40 fold down seats, which will allow you to increase your cargo space if needed, and we do have the pull down center console, giving your passengers some cup holders or a little bit of storage area for them. Opening up the door, we've got our power locks and windows right there. Over here is our power mirrors, our heated steering wheel, and there is one of my favorite features, the heated wiper blades to de-ice in the winter. Hopping in and taking a look at the steering wheel. Over on this side, we have our audio controls and our Bluetooth hands-free calling. And over here, we have some information and your trip meter that you can scroll through on your dash. Down here is our lane keeping assistant and lane departure alert and our pre-collision system button. Our cruise control is right down here, and this is adaptive cruise control. Starting her up, we can take a look at the dash here, which has all of our normal bits and pieces, as well as different settings that you can scroll through using your steering wheel controls, including how you would like all your safety features to work for you, your mileage, and this here is your lane keeping messages and all that. Moving on over, we have an AM/FM stereo system here with a CD player, and it does have a Bluetooth connection. Plus, we have USB and auxiliary power inputs down there. Down here, we can also find our heated seats. Jumping up to our climate control, we do have the electronic climate control here with air conditioning, and over here is our defrost buttons. We have the automatic shifter, and right there we've got our traction control and our sport mode if you want that little tiny extra bit of power. Right here we've got our cup holders. Our glove box does contain the original owner's manual, and we'll just peek at the back again to see how much room we've got there. We do have a power sunroof. We peek up there so you can just have it open for some light, or you can open it up in the summertime for some extra air. Your controls are right here, as well as your interior lights. So let's hop out and we can take a look at our cargo space and the back of the vehicle. Around back, we have our color matched spoiler, and of course our Corolla, Toyota, and SE branding as well. To open up the trunk, we just hold down the button on our fob, and it is a power trunk, and will open up for you. Taking a look inside, we do have a surprising amount of cargo space in here, and with those 60/40 fold down seats, you can expand that even more. If we lift this up, we have our spare tire and all the tools you would need if you find yourself in that situation. And of course, it does have the child safety seat tethers as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2017 Toyota Corolla SE with me. If you would like to take it for a spin or have any more questions, come on down to 1200 Leatherette Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, or you can give us a call and one of our incredible product advisors would be more than happy to talk to you. You can also check out our website at KelownaToyota.com to get more information on this car or browse the rest of our new and used inventory. We hope everybody's having a fabulous winter season. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.